Hi, this is John. In this video clip, I will be talking about metal shear safety rules. First off, you need to secure your work. Here, I'm using a vise to hold my work. It's safer than using your hands, and it frees up both hands to be able to operate the tool. You want to make sure you disconnect the tool anytime when it is not in use, before servicing it, when changing the center blades, side knives, or brushes. To avoid accidental starting, when you carry the tool, you want to make sure that your finger is off of that trigger switch. In addition, before you plug in the tool, what I like to do is go ahead and depress the switch and let go, just to make sure that there is no lock in the on position that's turned on. When using the tool, you want to keep proper footing as well. This will help prevent any slips, or you could even sprain a muscle if you're standing incorrectly. And lastly, you never want to overreach the machine. On this one, there is a cutting blade right here, and if I overreach that, I could get caught in there.